Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video today I'm going to show you how you can create content within the social media planner using AI and how to auto schedule it or to post directly to your Google My Business profile. Google loves engagement and you should really get started to publish content consistently on that platform. Let me show you how you can do this. So first I want to show you where these content pieces would show up. Click on reputation on the left, click on Google My Business optimization at the top, and you will be landing on this page. Then if you click on updates, you will see previously published posts or the ones that are scheduled. If you click scheduled posts on the left hand side, you can also see the scheduled posts. Right now we don't have any scheduled, so let's do that right now. Click schedule a post and you will be forwarded to the social planner. Let's click plus new post, create new post. From the drop down menu, let's select the Google My Business account. Here you can type your content yourself. You have a character limit of 1,500, or you can use AI to help you with that. So let's create one using AI. Generate with AI. And right here we have our brand voice attached that we previously created. Then you can select the language you would like to write, the tone of voice, for example, professional, friendly, persuasive, casual, formal, enthusiastic. We go with professional, we keep English. And then right here, we want to put the key message for the Google My Business profile post. Once you've added your key message, add the goal for the Google My Business profile post. Let's say educate and call to action call. And then the number of variations, let's keep it at 3 is fine. Under additional options, you can select the target audience for the Google My Business profile is the same as the brand voice, which in this case is true. And then here we can add any additional instructions. Let's hit generate. And here we have our 3 content variations on the left, content variation 1, content variation 2, as well as number 3. Whichever one you like best, you click copy and then it moves the content over to the chosen content side on the right hand side here. And from here, you can still edit it. Whenever you like it, you can hit I like it, or whenever you don't like it, you tell the AI you don't like it and provide some feedback. In this case, we really like it and we hit continue. Now on the right hand side, you can see the text showing up. That's how it would look like once we've posted it. And now we also want to, of course, add an image. Let's click add image and we are going to use AI. Add a description, add a number of variations, and then choose the type of image style. We are going with photo. Let's hit generate. They're good, but actually we would like to have a female. So let's say edit with Ask AI. Then let's add the changes, make it a female. And that looks really good to me. If you prefer a different hairstyle, a different color of a suit, whatever you want, you can do that. But if you're happy, you can click use this image and then hit continue. And once you're happy, down here, you can either click save for later or post now, or click the drop down menu and schedule the post for later. You can also send it to approval to your social media marketing manager or your boss, or schedule the same post as a recurring post. You can also add it to a queue. For now, we are going to schedule the post. Going to select the best time for this time zone would be 5 to 6 p.m. So let's hit schedule post. Now you can see the scheduled post showing up right here in the social media planner, but also within the reputation management system. Let's go back there, click reputation, Google My Business, and then under scheduled posts, you can see the post has been scheduled. Now let's say you want to make some changes to the post, just simply click on it, click edit. It goes back to the social media planner. Let's say we want to change the image and upload from our own media storage. Then we want to select the image and it uploaded right here and there. Scrolling further down, you can also see the call to action type. What should that be? You can say none, or we can say book, order, shop, learn more, sign up, or call. In this case, we're just going to add call. And again, down here, if you wanted to post now, you can do it, or send for approval, or schedule the post for the best time whenever the audience is awake. Hit schedule post. And that's it, post edited successfully. Posting video content is not supported through the API at the moment, but you can post any JPEG or PNG smaller than 5 megabytes. You can also post to multiple Google My Business accounts simultaneously. You can also bulk post to many different locations at the same time. Identical content across accounts is permitted, but we recommend location-specific tweaks just to avoid perceived spam. Of course, prerequisite for all of this is that your Google My Business profile is connected properly, and if the token has expired, please go in and refresh it, otherwise the posts will fail. If you added a post that has already been scheduled, like we just did, it will automatically update within seconds. And please note there is a limit to 100 posts every 24 hours per account. So if you're a large agency, you should stagger schedules. Now I hope you like this feature and be sure to check out all of our other videos within the playlist. Want to learn more about this feature and many other features HighLevel has to offer? Make sure to check out our Content Army playlist on YouTube, as well as the Help Doc library, which is linked in the show notes below, and our amazing blog.